Good day everyone! Welcome for today's video and we are in chapter 9 down to the last topic, which is other techniques in unpacking curriculum standards and competencies. So sit back, relax and enjoy watching this video. Now, why do we unpack curriculum standards and competencies? If we try to read the K-12 curriculum, what we can see there is the expectations for what will be taught and what will students do in a certain program of study. It includes teacher-made materials, textbooks, national and state standards, and other resources. Therefore, curriculum is a gathered information that has been considered relevant to a specific topic. If the topic is related to English or it's all about English, then all of the topics in that curriculum is related to English. Curriculum unpacking technically occurs when the intended curriculum is interpreted or translated by teachers into classroom instructions. Now, unpacking the standards allows teachers to better understand what our students expect to know in that subject matter.
You know that teachers use taxonomy for unpacking curriculum standards and competencies? One of it was developed by Benjamin Bloom. Let me give you a brief background about Bloom. In 1956, Benjamin published a framework for categorizing educational goals, and it is named as Taxonomy of Educational Objectives, familiarly known as the Bloom's taxonomy. This framework has been applied by generations of K-12 teachers and college instructors in their teaching. The framework elaborated and consisted of 6 major categories: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. The categories after knowledge were presented as skills and abilities, with the understanding that knowledge was the necessary precondition for putting these skills and abilities into practice. Bloom uses a multi-tiered scale to express the level of expertise required to achieve each measurable student outcome. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the educational objectives categorized into three: domain, knowledge-based, skills-based, and affective. So, here it is. Actually, Bloom's taxonomy originally includes synthesis between analysis and evaluation, but Anderson and Cratwell in 2001 revised and include creation as the highest category in taxonomy. For affective domain, Bloom categorized learning objectives into 5 categories, and please see this picture. The focus of this level is on comparing, relating, and assessing values to create that unique value system. For example, spending more time studying than playing sports, recognizing the need for balance between work and family, or prioritizing time effectively to meet goals. How do you teach affective domain? First, establish classroom procedures that support affective objectives. That is, through classroom rules. Encourage students to be honest, punctual, fair, and so forth, and provide opportunities for them to develop as independent thinkers and self-reliant problem solvers. Whereas, Bloom organized skills-based learning, and it is categorized into 6 categories from simple to complex. Now, among those 3 broad categories, the teacher should decide which among of them, like knowledge-based, skills-based, and affective, corresponds the most goal, which is the student outcome. The result is useful in understanding the nature of the content and select essential classroom assessment techniques. In 2003, Fink presented an alternative taxonomy, and this is about the different types of learning outcome. It is known as Fink's taxonomy of significant learning. And there are a lot of components. Why is Fink's taxonomy important? Fink's taxonomy and approach to course design helps provide a structure that clarifies our goals for student learning. It makes student learning more personal and directs the organization of the course and methods we use to ensure the learning and skill building endure. So, ladies and gentlemen, that ends my discussion, and I hope that you've learned something today. Thank you and God bless.